How's it going, everybody? My name's Eric, and in this video we're going to be replacing the joysticks, the thumbsticks on this Xbox 360 controller. Someone went to town getting some crazy headshots in Halo and have absolutely worn down these joysticks beyond a comfort level for me. We purchased this controller for $292 from Goodwill. Hopefully this replacement set that I got off of Amazon will be better than the replacement set that I tried last week that I actually did a review on how I hate it. I will put a link to that in the corner. We will be using these replacements that I got off of Amazon. They were slightly more expensive at $10 for 4 of them, but the quality does already look a little bit better right off the bat. I don't care if it's a little bit more expensive if they are better quality. And it did come with a little tool, as you will need later on in this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And let's get into the Xbox 360, the thumbstick replacement tutorial. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is turn your controller over. Take the tool that's included from the Amazon listing. It is a T8 with a little security hole drilled out. You're going to have to take out 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's also a hidden one underneath the battery cover, underneath this serial barcode thing, right smack dab in the center, which I'm taking out right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now this back cover should come off fairly easily. Just a little bit of force. I just kind of pulled on it and it popped off. There's no more screws that you're gonna have to take out. You're just going to press on the joysticks, roll that circuit board away. If buttons fall out, do not fear. They go back in very easily. And if this thing falls out, do not fear. It can just go back like that. Ideally, you don't want all the buttons to fall out, but if you're gonna clean the whole controller anyways, then it's not really gonna make a difference. Now's a good time to clean with some isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip all of the hand nasty that gets stuck in between the 2 controller plastic casings, all the nasty hand oils. You can get all that out. Ugh, it's just filthy. Here's where the magic happens. So all you gotta do is pull these off. They literally just sit on top of that joystick mechanism. You're gonna take your new ones. They should only go on 2 ways, and you're just going to press down. There will be a little bit of a tightness. They can only go so far in, but once they're in, that's pretty much it. You just have to reassemble. So I'm going to take this controller. These came off onto the circuit board, so I'm just going to put that back onto the buttons and then put the circuit board back on, push the vibration motors back in. You just kind of work it until, move it micro adjustments until it kind of sits back in. And then once that happens, you're gonna grab the back, the trigger buttons first, kind of lay it down like that. Make sure that you press battery terminals into where they need to be, and the back cover should slide back on. If you press it down, it should kind of snap back into place. Now these, I can already tell, right when I put them on, I could tell they were way better quality than these other ones that I ordered off of Amazon with the orange screwdriver. I would highly, highly recommend to go with this kit. It's a 4-pack and this kind of screwdriver. I will put a link to the good pack versus the bad pack in the description so you don't get confused. And here's a look at the bad pack installed on an Xbox. There's a ton of play on here, and I'm actually going to open this back up and change it to these new packs because these new sticks are way better, as well as the little feelers. These are in a X position. These are in north, south, east, west position as they should be. So before we finish, we will have to turn the controller over and install all 6 outside screws and then the 1 secret center screw. And now I'm gonna put the batteries back in, and this literally feels like new. I'm very impressed with these joysticks, very, very happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. If you have any questions about the tutorial, throw them in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.